What the man them prefer. Drip drop on a
Hi, sweets. I'm tired, bad. I can't even like. First of all, why I sound like this? Second of all, why I got too bad to the day before a road match? I kind of fake excitement. We just want to sleep.
well shit.
Hi sweets, how y'all babies doing today? It is Monday, which means it is Monday Mass, which means it's finally here. It's finally here. Your girl is exhausted. You know, that 2 parties last night was a terrible idea. Like, my feet hurt. I'm tired. I look like I haven't slept in days. But you know, out here, without fear, we're doing it. So I just washed my hair and I'm just preparing to put it into a, what you call that? Ponytail. So hopefully it is obedient today. And we can just run through things, you know, good and on time. Alright guys, so I'm trying to get my hair into a high ponytail. I'm gonna add one of my shake and go ponies on it, one of the new ones that are curly. I want my hair to look super sleek, super moisturized. Y'all know my jam. So I'm just brushing it in the direction that I want it to go. Last time I caught my hair up in a high ponytail, I had to do it in 2 parts. I'm hoping I don't have to do that today. But let's see. I think I definitely have to do it in 2 parts. Yeah man, that's that. You just don't look sleek enough without it. So I have my ponytail. I'm gonna make some edges and then come back because I need to start getting like proper. So that we can operate in more order, I made a quick little spread. So these are the shadows. And I kind of have all of them in one place. And I have the different glitters that we have. And then the primers for the eye and for the glitter base. Then I have our primers for the face, setting powders, all of that right there. I have some highlighters here, some face products. And then I kind of just laid the brushes out. I have the tweezers and that's it. So that's the layout. Hopefully it makes me move more efficient. So let's see. Alright guys, so I'm gonna stop my makeup and start glitters. I kind of got a feel of the eye look that I want to do. It looks terrible now, but it'll come together in Jesus' name. So we're gonna do Glenna's makeup. Her hair is already done.
No, it's halfway.
Her hair is halfway done, but I'm gonna start her makeup and finish it because she's only doing eye makeup. She's not doing face, right? As in gems, nothing for your face.
Oh yeah, because I was like, what?
So we're just going to get that done because that is a simple one too for me at this point. Used to our face, maybe not do it from a day. Alright.
You've been doing my face so long before that.
You don't want to tie your hair? We're falling to pieces in here.
Jesus.
No, sit down on this because you, I don't know.
I don't know what difference that makes.
Anyway, you make me closer to me. Much better.
For sure.
I've never recorded here.
I'm not short. You know they always want to talk? Always.
Are you like the only short person in your family?
Yes. When we grow up, everybody's like, yeah, but tall like your brother them. And then basically talk it down. Them stop my growth. Because them always say like them never want my time. That's why I mustn't put bad things into the universe.
Amen.
Because no, I'm short. I'm not only short, I'm stump.
She's short and she still has long limbs. Show them arms.
No!
Show them arms.
I don't have. You see, I
Glenna and them long your fetch.
My arm.
I mean, like an average person and stop yourself.
No.
Stop yourself.
No, my arms aren't long. So Chantal used to always say my arms long, me to ignore because only she ever said. And then one day, Damien was like, yeah,
Damien is her husband, by the way.
And I'm
Like her husband was looking at her, how women get that long and wife from?
I was so mad because I'm like, you know, if a one person says and I say go, but if a two person says and him kind of count as three since you know me so long, then you know it's bad. I was not coping. The time I to drop off.
Yes, but it was either my aunt on that side or my aunt by your ear.
No, I just think on my head.
No way, I know your head on me.
No man, at night time my tire did a radio challenge.
Oh?
God no. It's down on my head.
What was the radio challenge again?
The cap kept moving. It was just really bad editing. Honestly, I never ever put on my tire and wake up with it. Never. I put on tired before and then sleeping cap. Nail. Chantal, you can't teach me how to do my eyebrow then.
My type to talk to you.
But tell you the honest truth, I feel like I was the first subscriber to Chantal. What's your first subscriber? You ever check? You can check, you know?
Yes, I can check.
You should. That. And give them a shout out on your next video. But anyways, as far as me concerned, me was the first subscriber because me used to watch it religiously, go home and practice over do my eyebrows. And that was when, what, 2015? 2016?
Oh, it's a long time.
Several years later.
She still can't do her eyebrow.
But you know the funny thing, the other day I woke up on the, like one of your old video and I look for something. Because I actively use the video that I'm running out for the something.
That's right. Gotta be over Earth.
Honestly, technology come out far away and I'm tell like, oh, it looked like it's a bread bag that he was recording the video there.
It was a bread bag. Close your eye. You can
What? No, clearly not. When my eye sense is gone.
No, make sense.
No, man, look on it, but I said, but I don't so remember them, I could have did see.
Right? You're looking at it now, you're like, oh my god, how did I ever watch this? This quality is so...
It is so bad,
You know, that's why I don't watch old videos on YouTube. Like, if I search for something and it's like 5 years ago, I'd be like, alright, I can't watch this. First of all, this is 5 years ago. Second of all, this quality going to be trash.
It's hard for watching, and I'm like, wow. What were you using to record? But we'll come out far away now.
I was using a phone.
Yeah, but my point is, when we did a look on it back then, it never looked that way to me.
That's true.
Anyways, let me forget look back on the original video then just to say, oh, far Chantal come. She come from far. Our content did always good too.
Hey!
Remember the Christmas day when you make me drink? Campari.
I never Campari.
White
rum.
Eggnog.
Eggnog and sorrel mixed together.
Jesus.
When you tasted it, did nice.
No, nothing, no.
Yeah, that video did nice, you know.
That video was crazy.
I remember we planned for that video till we were full.
We only had about 6 months to plan for these things and we still don't know what to do with the eye. Well, to be fair, Chantal had asked me to look for eye makeup and I couldn't decide on one, so I kind of just leave it to her.
What is new about that?
And everything leave up to you.
Glenna.
Well, when it comes
Stop
to
saying
makeup,
lie.
I just makeup.
Yeah, but you know, if you came to me with your makeup look and say, Chantal, like this, I want you to, you know,
But
easy that would be.
but do it and everything I'm saying that boring. You're fool.
Me go insert the video them what she said. Them still bad. Them look like my eye right now.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Them not simple, them don't look nice. First of all, I don't know which costume she thinks she'd go wear with the eye makeup.
So funny enough, so I've been saving I have a Trinidad lookbook on
My
Pinterest. And but just when they tell me to go look for the makeup look a while ago, I said, but
I wanted them boring, ugly stuff.
no, I'm just like, but this is not the makeup. It not much.
It don't match. That's why we get the things. I go, oh, well, like I should just want, you know. I mean,
I mean, I
she do
want
business.
Oh, me, I want.
You know, I'm even tired of you. Me and get that talk, and she said, Chantal, me go down a bit, and then miss it here I go.
Okay, so yeah.
No, let me tell it. Me and gonna talk. And she said, Chantal, me gonna mellow. I say, alright, cool. Me lie down there, and then me hear so me I tell no, but say, Gana, what you say? Asleep, she asleep. You know, not go cold and asleep. I
don't know. You come. Don't even upside me. No, the AC need to turn on.
No, I'm gonna explain to you now. It's I'm tired, me and sleeping bad. First of all, I'm surprised I'm asleep so neat. And that me at all.
Then I lie down on the bed like she not caffeine. So, under the sheet. And when you wake up, then I in the bed. So, under the sheet.
I'm gonna explain to you, I'm asleep bad. Ask my brother, hey, when we did younger, me used to always afraid. I'm still afraid. I'm afraid. So, me used to always want to sleep beside one of my brother, but preferably my old, what do you call it? The elder of the two. Wow. Yeah. And we used to sleep so bad that it made mommy get him a single bed. So we wouldn't be able to sleep beside him. Ooh, me and you on the single bed said way.
Oh yeah.
Sleep just take over.
No, I'm bad. And then, and I like to just talk, you know, so you must have one occasionally. She snore too. Wow. But if you edit that out. Wow. No. So I finished up my makeup while Glenna was doing my hair. This is what it looks like. I'm trying to get like mermaid vibes, those types of colors, by highlighting the colors in the costume. I did some in the inner corner. Okay, there's the light. That's what that's looking like. And then my hair, I did my pony go, wrapped this thing or this iridescent thing around it and created like some bumps like that. And the plan is to wear the hair forward like this, so it gives me, you know, a nice little. So I did the excitement here and then the hair here, so there's a balance. So if I take a photo like this, slay bitch. But if I take a photo like this, also slay bitch. So I'm gonna fix my edges because my makeup basically just ate it off. So I'm gonna try and fix it. We're gonna also fix something on Glenna's hair, and then we should be putting on our clothes and leaving. You finish? So Glenna wants like a silver crown because we didn't bring silver string. You should ask her if she has silver string.
I think this might look better if it were cool.
So what we're trying to do is makeshift with silver hairpins. Are you instead locking them?
With gold.
Yeah, and then we're gonna put them at the base here so her hair stands up higher. You know what you could do to get your hair to stand up higher too is you could just wrap the stuff higher. But I know you want the silver, I'm just saying it would have given the heightened look. So we're trying to fix that right now.
Oh, my mother crafty ways did not go in vain. Till it not go good. I'm gonna start wrong.
Oh my god. Alright, while I do that, I'm gonna fix my edges because them look bad.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so my hair is done. I did some gems. I'll show you guys the finished look. Glenna's hair is done, but I can't show you her because she's naked. Huge. So we're gonna put our clothes on now and then film the finished look so you guys can see and we can take photos and all of that.
Anthony knows say I'm gonna take a picture.
Oh God.
We have to show people so we're there together. So we're halfway dressed. Now we're just doing some housekeeping. So like right now my underwear is showing as well as my stocking line. So Glenna is sewing it to the costume so everything stays weird.